In today's video, I'm just going to tell you how you can change the email address of your own Instagram account or your own Instagram profile. So watch this video till the end to know the whole process. You can see my profile on top right. So I'll click on my profile. Now you can see the icon of settings. So I'll click on this settings icon. Now click on settings and privacy. Now come to account center. Now click on personal details. Now you can see the option of contact info. Click on that. Here you can see my old email address. So I can delete this email address as well, or I can go back and I can add a new contact number or a contact email. So I have to write my new contact email address. Now once I am done with writing my new email, I have to select the account through which I want to associate this email address. Now Instagram will send me an email of OTP, so I have to go to my Gmail. Now you can see a confirmation code has been received by Instagram on my email. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Click on next. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.